Hi, welcome to my channel. And today it's the Swedish National Hiking Day, vandringsdag in Swedish. This is not only a celebration of the hiking day or just an exercise trip, it also that I'm on a mission today. And the mission today is to find a camping spot or an overnight place so I can use in the future. Some off-road trail here, and it's really hot today. It's 22 degrees and this is the 9th of September, and you who live in Sweden, who've been in Sweden in September, you know this is not the normal September weather. See this? Some people have made a fire in the nature reserve directly on the ground, and then leave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beer cans on the ground. Oh, and look, they have even burned some plastic material. Those people shouldn't be out in the nature. Stay home. Yeah, I know there is really nice camping spots everywhere here, but I'm in a nature reserve, and you're not allowed to put up a tent, a hammock, tarp or anything like that. You are only allowed to stay overnight in the fixed shelters, and you can only make fire in the fixed fireplaces, and only with charcoal, no firewood at all in this nature reserve. But the lake here, the half of the lake is in the nature reserve, but the other side is outside the nature reserve. So that's why I'm walking around the lake to find a place where you can camp on the allemansrätt. Here is a white dot on the stone, and I think it means that the nature reserve is end here. And if I look on my Topo GPS, it says the same thing. After here I am outside the nature reserve. Mission complete. I found a few really nice places, both for tents or hammock. Look here, just imagine the hammock between those two trees here, and even a tent spot just a few meters away there, and this is outside the nature reserve. Okay, I come to the place that I have seen it on the map, but I hope it was not bad, but it's a real swamp, wetland, or what you call it. I had to get over to that side if I don't want to go the whole way back. Well. Oh shit. That's good. Oh no. Well, I'll be back. Whew, finally, I got over. Oh, that was good. So, I'm back to the place where I parked the car. So that's enough for today. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment. Till next time, bye bye.